Alright, so this we're gonna have for lunch today. Marie Callendar's DUOS, meatloaf, and country fried chicken. So meatloaf, red wine gravy over meatloaf with roasted cut potatoes, country fried chicken, breaded white meat chickens, patty smoothed in black pepper gravy. 25 grams of protein. Let's try this. Alright, so let's try this. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to eat of this because I'm still not feeling that good. I had a salad last night. I didn't do a review of it because I've already done reviews of salad before. It's the same salad I had many times, and I did not feel good this morning. I had cramps, and it really hurt. I don't know. Still not really feeling that good, so let's take a picture of this for... Anyway, let's try this. These are the potatoes here. Meatloaf. I feel like I had this before. I don't know. I think I've had both separate meals before, but they really give you less portion with the sizes of the food. Oh well. It might be duos, but they don't give me much food for the price of this. But anyway, I'd give this a 7 out of 10. It's pretty good.